これからはずっと行きたかった一軒家です。なんとシンガポール、物価が鬼高いシンガポールの一軒家に潜入します。いい回になると思いますので、ぜひ一緒に楽しみましょう。あ、お久しぶりです。ごめんなさい。うわー、すごっ。For how long have you been living
Oh,
here?
I've been living here for about 12 years.
12 years. Wow.
Yeah. So my husband like antique. Haidee like antiques. I don't like antiques. So at first he put a lot of antiques. So I said, oh, stop. Because if not, he will put more.
Oh,
yeah, so I said, stop.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Yeah, because I don't like antiques. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Where you want to start first?
I think I will come in from the outside if that's fine.
Okay, sure.
You can see the city over there. Very near the city. And okay, so じゃあもうちょっと始めちゃいますね。こんな感じで入ってすぐ、そこに車あるんですが、you got some benches, and this is the pool, I think. Wow. 水深 1.5 メートル。Beautiful. で、これが中身ですね。I think I'll start from the yard. It's a long pool. すごいですよこれ。And come up. You can chill here. You got a nice small table, another bench. Wow. This is Singapore, okay? Wow. It's a huge house. So it's not like the traditional the landed house, you know, the orangey, cuttery, traditional, typical Singapore landed house. You can tell they kind of it's kind of new. So this part is like white, grayish. Let's take a look inside. Inu用の部屋。
That is the pavilion. So sometimes we do a bit of a small family barbecue outside.
Right there, right? Yes.
Sometimes we do, I have Indonesian lady back to do massage.
Oh, nice, nice.
Yeah.
So you enter, and this is how it looks like. 2階. I'm not sure what's here. And this is like the main living room. Wow. So you got nice colored sofa, a TV, and the pool. And you go up here. Oh wow. すごい。アンティークですねこれ。アンティークベッド。This is beautiful. Wow. So she said this is over 100 years old. It's older than Singapore. So it's the bed for the children. Wow. You can see all the old Chinese artwork. で、お金持ちの象徴、アロワナ。アロワナですよねこれ。なぜかね、こいつもいるんですよね。食べるのかな。で、さらに行くと、ダイニングですね。わあ。ワインセラーとか。これがキッチン。なんかご主人がアンティーク好きみたいで、いろんなところにアンティークありますね。I think they have the kitchen somewhere else, the real kitchen where the maids prepare the food. どっかにあるはず。このレベルになるとみんなメイドを雇いますね。メイドさん1人2人で、ここでYou come back to the entrance. Wow. Very impressive. It's like a museum. Antique museum. What's his name?
Pharaoh.
Pharaoh. Pharaoh has his own room here. Wow, he's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Siberian Husky?
Yeah.
Does he bite and stuff?
He doesn't bite, but he's very playful. He will jump around.
Oh,
and he will run around, yeah? Just to let you know.
Okay, okay.
Okay, go.
Ooh,
Say
whoa.
hello.
Hi, hi. Whoa, hi.
Hey,
Hi.
I told you he's very playful.
すごいすごいすごい。
Very, very playful.
楽しそう。おお、ちょっとこれ高いから。カメラ高いよ。わお。
He doesn't
すごい
bite,
力。
but he's very playful.
Wow, he's very furry.
No, 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 no.
Wow. すごい楽しそうですね。
やっと出してもらえた。
やっと出してもらえた。わお。かわいい。かわいすぎる。おお、また来た来た。
Yeah, when you pee, he will come out.
ああ。He's peeing. すごいな。この犬の種類僕シンガポールで見たことないかもしれない。あ、言っちゃいけないやつ。あ、自然ね。
This is my son's room.
Wow, your son's room.
Yeah.
Wow, my gosh.
ここでゲームやってるんですよ。
すごい贅沢。
It's actually two room. This one is his game room. A bit
Oh
messy.
my gosh.
So his friends will play here and then
Wow.
he sleeps inside.
Can I be your son's friend? Look at this. Humongous projector. And he has everything. Xbox. I'm pretty sure he has PlayStation 4 somewhere.
Yes.
Wow, and all these 響きまで。すごいラインナップですねこれ。And that is the bedroom.
Yes.
He also has more alcohol here. Wow. これが寝室。でかっ。The bed is humongous. Mine is like half here. Wow. 飯。
オークションで競り落とした。
Yeah, we got
Eh?
from auction his signature. Okay, my room is a bit messy, you know. Is it?
No, it's okay.
Yeah,
it's
it's
probably
very
not.
messy.
Probably not.
Okay, it's very messy.
Wow. So this is your whole room.
Yeah.
Oh my
This
gosh.
is my walk-in wardrobe, but it's very messy, yeah.
すごい。
I think you just film here, can already. You move
Okay,
inside,
okay,
it's
okay.
very messy.
So big.
It's very messy.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
It's very messy.
Wow. You have an amazing looking bed. Wow. And the chandelier. It's not messy at all.
It is.
Wow.
Yeah.
So are some of these antiques as well?
No, nothing antiques here.
Nothing antique. Okay. You don't want it.
I don't want it, yeah.
So now we're walking to the third floor. This is the highest, I'm guessing. Oh, and another antique. Wow, すごいなこれ。
Very slippery.
Okay, okay.
This was when they went to Vegas, they do shooting, so they put here.
Nice.
Yes.
Living room of your daughter?
Yeah. So
Hmm.
she's not here, she's working. So the pool table is common. The brother and sister can use.
Okay.
They can entertain their friends.
Wow, it's nice. It's nice and bright. Wow. 娘さん専用ですもんね。And is this? Oh, this is a kitchen, no?
It's not a kitchen,
Mm.
it's a small pantry.
Pantry.
So she has a microwave and a toaster to prepare her food.
Ah,
Her coffee machine.
wow.
Yeah.
Very nice. ここでゆっくりできると。
ゴージャス。
Wow.
Yeah. From Chinese, she wants to go Victorian.
Wow. ごいな。さっきの奥さんのベッドと同じ雰囲気の。わお。見てこのカーテン。めっちゃ暑い。何これ？ Is this like a humidifier?
Yes.
Wow. And this?
This is
This
a
ma-
speaker.
A speaker. Wow.
Yeah.
どこのスピーカー？なんかデスノートのミサの部屋みたいな。すごい部屋だ。こんな部屋入ったことない。
Yeah, and then this is the guest room. If we have overseas guests or Yeah.
They can stay here.
yes, yeah.
Wow. So we see the tall buildings there, right?
Yes.
Is that near Orchard?
Orchard
Or-
is there.
Orchard is over
Is
there.
Yes.
And that is which
That is
area?
Newton.
Newton area.
Yeah, your Newton circle is next here.
Okay,
Yes.
wow.
But from here, you walk to Takashimaya, it's only 20 minutes. I always
20-minute
to
walk.
Takashimaya.
Mm.
Yeah. Sometimes I like walking to Orchard, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
Get a nice view of the neighborhood. It's very quiet. Thank you for showing me around, Audrey.
Yeah, welcome.
So, you've been living here for 14 years? 12 years. And have you lived in like a normal like HDB or condo before?
Yes. I lived in HDB for about 20 years.
20 years.
Then I lived in condominium.
How is the life different inside like a landed house compared to like HDBs and condos?
Okay, for HDB, because we have lots of neighbors, and then we have different kind of neighbors. If you meet some good ones, they'll be good. But if not, there'll be noisy ones,
right.
dirty ones.
Dirty ones.
Yeah, and then sharing the corridors. When everybody walk past, they will see you, because I stayed in a very olden style HDB before.
Okay.
So when moving here, of course, is better because we just drive in our car and then we reach home. Yeah.
Right.
Especially when we go supermarket, I just bring down the thing. I don't have to carry all the way to the lift and wait for the lift, Yeah. And here, of course, 100% privacy. Yeah.
It's a beautiful house.
It's a beautiful house.
It's not the typical like the landed house I see in Singapore. The ones with the orange roofs.
No.
This is more modern, right?
This is half modern because this was designed by our very good friend from England.
So you're actually looking to sell this house.
Yes.
So she's looking for around 14 million, right?
Yeah,
Or
14 million negotiable.
negotiable. So
Yeah.
if you want to maybe try buying this house, just contact me and I'll connect you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Audrey-san. Thank you so much.
Yeah, see you soon.
Thank you so much. もう本当にすごいですよ。14 million Singapore dollar だから、10億ぐらい。10億ですよ。Now I'm just gonna have my favorite Thai massage in Singapore, and that's gonna be the end of this video.